Before we can subtract or add rational expressions, they must all have the same denominator, just like with fractions. So start by factoring this denominator down. You get a minus 2, a minus 3. And now look at all the different terms that show up to find the least common denominator. Here's an a minus 2 term, here's an a minus 3 term, and there's no new terms showing up in this one. So the least common denominator needs to have an a minus 2 multiplied by an a minus 3. To get that in this first expression, multiply by an a minus 3. Make sure you do it on top and bottom. Here, multiply by an a minus 2, again on top and bottom. And this one's already taken care of. And this step, just distribute on top in both of these expressions. And now that all three expressions have the same exact denominator, we can subtract and add just like we would with fractions. So you take the first numerator and subtract the second one, and then add the third one. Now I wrote the second one in parentheses. This is a very common mistake. You're subtracting that whole entire second numerator. So you're subtracting 12a squared, and you're also subtracting the negative 24a, which ends up giving you a plus 24a. And now reduce on top. 16a squared minus 12a squared leaves you with 4a squared. And combine all the a terms. Minus 48 plus 24 plus 16 leaves you with minus 8a. And we're almost done. You can factor out a 4a from both terms on top. It leaves you with an a minus 2, which will cancel out with the a minus 2 on bottom, giving you a final answer of 4a over a minus 3.